Okay, this is my Book Fair ordering system that I use, which is a combination of Google Forms and Google Sheets. So the first thing I do is make my Google form. It includes all the things that students can reorder if they run out of at the book fair, which is books, posters, others, which could be, UV spy pens or something else, and secret posters, which is all the posters that are still available to order, but we don't actually know what they look like. So it's a bit of a gamble when you order them. Then for each of these sections, I put down a drop-down menu for all the teachers, because I really don't want to make sure that is messed up. For books, I put down the student name, the title of the book, the cost of the book, and then because I'm doing this at my circulation computer, I scan the ISBN from the back of the book if possible. I found a few times that the title of the book, I need all these pieces of information to make sure that I am definitely ordering the right book. And with these three pieces of information, I can be guaranteed to get the right book. For posters, again, I put a drop-down menu with all the teachers. I just copy and paste this again. Student name, and I've copied and pasted this list of posters from the ordering section of the Scholastic Book Fair website, the wrap-up section. So the names of the posters are exactly the same ones as are in the ordering part of the website. So there's no chance of really messing this up, because there's a couple of different options sometimes for a Dragon Ball Z or a Naruto poster. There was 3 different Naruto posters, and I really want to make sure I had the exact same one. You don't need the wrong poster showing up. So that's a drop-down menu for posters. The secret poster order form, again, I put the teachers' names down, drop-down menu, I don't want to mess them up. The student's name, and the secret poster list is all the other posters that are available to order that are not physically present at the book fair. And I just give this to some students if they ask about it, because some students are looking for hockey posters or basketball posters. They didn't come with my book fair selection this year, and I know they may be interested in ordering them. And the last thing is other. This is like UV pens or something like that. I don't usually let kids order everything that comes in the boutique area, because it gets a bit too annoying. But something like UV pens, like last year I think I ended up ordering 20 of those. So that's just the order form, and when you preview it, it looks like this. So if I want to order a book, I say next. My teacher is Kindergarten Burke. Student's name is Michael Walter. Title of my book is Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. Cost, let's just say it's $10. An ISBN, pretend I scanned it, it's 97 blah 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 blah, and I'll say submit. And then I can just go ahead and I'll collect the money and order the next book I've got to. It takes me right back here. And I can continue doing this. So that's my ordering system, and at the other end I want to really collect the information. So I've got my, no surprise to anyone who knows me, it's in the sheet at the other end. It collects all the information here, and I have tabs for each of the 4 different types of orders. So here's my master sheet. Everything that comes in gets ordered here. And I have a little tiny bit of code, a little formula here, and it automatically just selects all the books. So all the books that go in here end up on the book tab. All the posters end up on the poster tab, and secret posters and others. So they automatically populate this as they get entered on the main source sheet. And what I find this good for is when I'm doing my final reorder at the end of the year, end of the book fair, I can go through this list and order everything. And when it's time to deliver all the items that have been reordered, I've got a list of all the books that have been reordered and all the posters and such, and it makes it much easier to organize that. I think that's everything. I can share these sheets with someone or copy of them so you can make your own. The only thing you really have to change if you're making your own is to change the names of the teachers. I guess you put your homeroom number or however you want to organize it. And also, maybe you've got a different selection of posters that have been sent to your school, so you may have to put a different list of posters here as well.